Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Kashmiri Pulao. Kashmiri cuisine has many rich and flavorful dishes that are simple yet different. Pulao is one among them. Having grand royal appearance dotted with nuts is absolutely inviting. In this traditional rice dish, rice is laced with ghee fried nuts. It's a unique tasting dish loaded with plenty of dried fruits, giving it pleasant sweetness and vibrant mouthfeel. So let's get started. For making this tempting delicacy, I have taken half a cup of ghee or clarified butter, 3 small cinnamon sticks, 4 black cardamoms, 8 to 10 green cardamoms, 2 teaspoons of fennel seed powder. If you have whole fennel seeds, that's better. 2 to 3 bay leaves, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, a dash of turmeric powder, and nuts that include peeled almonds, coconut scraps, dates, cashews and raisins. And 3 cups of washed basmati rice and 3 onions, deep fried onions that we will be using for color and flavor. In a pan now I have taken around 8 to 9 cups of water. Bring it to boil and then add black cardamom, green cardamom, cinnamon sticks, bay leaves, fennel seed powder, cumin seeds, pinch of turmeric, and let it boil for 5 minutes. And then add fried onions and let it boil for 8 to 10 minutes till all the flavors are enhanced nicely and water has become brownish. Here you can see the water has changed its color. This will give color to our rice, pulao rice. Now strain it and bring it to boil again in a pan. Add salt. Please check the salt according to your taste. And then add washed rice and bring it to boil. I have taken the exact amount of water that we need for rice. Please check the packaging. So once it starts boiling, let it boil till it's almost 80% cooked. So here you can see little bit water is left. So within few minutes I'll just turn off the flame. So now in a pan I have heated up ghee and added all the nuts. I have added 2 green cardamoms also for the nice flavor. Saute them nicely and then add rice. So here you can see water is dripping from the rice, so it will help it to cook nicely and it will not stick to the bottom of the pan. Mix it properly and cover it and let it cook for about 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes our Kashmiri Pulao is ready. Aroma is in the whole house. It's a fusion of mild spices and rich dry fruits. Every spoon of this dish is crispy and crunchy because of nuts. This delicious and flavorsome rice delight is made using some easily available ingredients and it's a must-try dish. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. And please subscribe if you haven't yet and turn on the bell icon for notifications. See you soon in my next video with some simple and awesome recipe. Thank you.